Welcome to Car Updates. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a luxury sedan that perfectly balances sophistication, technology, and performance. Mercedes-Benz has taken this new model to the next level, offering cutting-edge features, a stunning design, and an unmatched driving experience. So, let's dive right into the details. The 2025 E-Class has undergone a stunning transformation, featuring a more aerodynamic and elegant design. The front grille now sports a sleeker look, seamlessly integrating with the high-performance digital light LED headlights, which adapt to road conditions and provide optimal illumination. The sculpted body lines enhance its sporty yet classy appeal, while the glossy black exterior gives it a bold and premium presence. At the back, the wraparound LED taillights give a futuristic look, complemented by a chrome-finished bumper and dual exhaust outlets, adding to its sporty aesthetic. The refined aerodynamics ensure better fuel efficiency and a quieter ride, making this sedan stand out in its class. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that defines luxury. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class comes with premium leather upholstery, wooden trims, and customizable ambient lighting, creating a first-class experience for both the driver and passengers. The new MBUX Superscreen, spanning the dashboard, integrates an advanced infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity, voice control, and AI-driven assistance. The fully digital driver display provides real-time driving data with crystal-clear graphics, while the passenger display allows co-passengers to control entertainment and navigation functions effortlessly. The integration of AI-based comfort settings means the car adapts to your preferences, whether it's seat position, climate control, or music. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Class offers a range of powerful yet efficient engine options. The 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 in the base model delivers 255 horsepower, while the plug-in hybrid variant pushes the power output even further with improved fuel economy. For those who crave performance, the AMG versions pack a punch with a turbocharged inline-6 producing over 400 horsepower, ensuring thrilling acceleration and a smooth ride. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, and with the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, you get maximum traction in all weather conditions. Mercedes has also enhanced the air suspension, making every drive exceptionally comfortable, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating city streets. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the 2025 E-Class with state-of-the-art technology. The new ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance System includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for effortless parking. The car also features augmented reality navigation, displaying turn-by-turn directions on the windshield for an intuitive driving experience. Additionally, the car offers active noise cancellation, ensuring a peaceful cabin environment. With a premium Burmester 4D surround sound system, long drives become more immersive and enjoyable. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a game-changer in the luxury sedan segment, offering an unbeatable combination of elegance, technology, and performance. Whether you're looking for a daily driver with high-end comfort or a sporty sedan with thrilling power, the E-Class delivers on all fronts. If you're considering a luxury upgrade, this should definitely be on your list. What do you think about the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Updates for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for our next video.